Ogboricodo, I am a fugila jede, or my gbin no call hangwa, Uberi pato la jegua, Ulema nusio la jede, I grow my kale dede, Aquacaole, Muna, Juapoi. I did on my Yoruba, Migbo one in no kono kilkun at in a yodi. I can't cabo no way to or for Ule.
Ilaje TV.
We want to say thank you to Apostle Debo for giving us this opportunity to talk to you right now on Ilaje TV. A lot of viewers will also want to know who is Apostle Debo.
Apostle Debo Ojubui is an Ilaje man, a gospel singer and preacher of the word of God. And that's me.
So we saw a lot of people here from Zion churches. Why are they here today? For the sake of our viewers, why is Apostle Debo here today?
So we are here because of Zion. We are here for Zion. We are here to promote Zion. And we are here to host the first Zion Youth Conference. The very first that is bringing all Zion youths from all ramifications, all denominations together.
As we know, this is the first conference. How many Zion churches have you been able to invite? Because we know that many Zion churches are all over the places, up to Cameroon and Gabon, UK and US.
Of course. A lot of churches came together. I cannot figure out how many churches came together today, but I know a lot of churches came together. Yeah, and that's the truth. And as you can see, it was successful.
How do you describe unification? What does it mean in a way that our people can understand?
Yeah, unification is the power of unity. Unification is the ability of a group of people or different groups to come together as one. That's unification. It's a unifying process. And we have a goal in mind. And we have a vision to accomplish.
Are you the only person in this unification process, like you're just in charge of everything?
No, I'm just the pioneer because I was given this vision. And as a youth in Zion, I had to give a shout out to all the entire youths of Zion to come together and join me to achieve this dream of our togetherness, so that in unity we stand, and I know we can.
Ilaje TV.
Hello ma, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣá lè mọ̀ yín mà.
Orúkọ mi ni Lady Evangelist Victoria Ileola Aya Olutade, popularly known as Zion Lady.
Kí ni nǹkan gangan tí ẹ wá ṣe ní bíbá ilé ni?
Yes, so we are having a program here coordinated by the king of Zion music, Debo Ojuboye. The program is called Reformed Zion, in which we have to call Zionists from different angles to come together as one. And that is why we are here today.
Okay, mo fẹ́ béèrè ìbéèrè kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ pé láti lè kó Zion jọ. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni àmọ̀ràn tí ẹ fẹ́ fún àwọn tí ò tí contribute into this program Prince Debo is trying to?
Àmọ̀ràn mi sí àwọn tí wọn ò tí darapọ̀ ni pé mo rí pé this is a good insight, you know. Eléyìí máa ń fi ojú wa sí ọ̀nà láti meet bigger people, àwọn àti, you know, ká lè bá àwọn tó wà lókè ká lè bá wọn pé when we have one unification, we'll be able to present ourselves up there as a Zionist. Tabani bigger programs. Amale locally represent Zion, and I know that is what he's trying to do. So I will employ all Zionists, home and abroad, to come join us and let's work hand in hand to make Zion Unification work. And I know it will work by God's grace.
And please, what is your advice for Zion youth? Your advice for Zion youth?
Okay, my advice for us is, one, we should keep our egoism. We should keep it. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ kí a ṣe ìfẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run nìkan. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan táwọn pé kò bójúmu láàrin wa yẹn tí gbogbo oníkálukú mọ̀. Bíbélì sọ wípé ẹ̀yin yóò mọ òtítọ́, òtítọ́ yóò sì sọ yín di òmìnira. So we all know the good from the bad. So gbogbo nǹkan táwọn pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó dáa, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe ká lè jẹ́ àwòkọ́ṣe fún àwọn tí wàá kí n ṣe Zionist. Kọ́ni sọ pé àwọn Zionist náà they have uniformity and then they are acting well publicly and even our various homes. So advice mi ni pé kí àwa youth ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ká jẹ́ kí kíní yìí kó work dáadáa, ká kó ẹ̀mí ti King of Zion music, ká lè ní ìmọ̀ àti òye jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ká lè bá àwọn tó wà lókè ká lè bá wọn ṣe pọ̀. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ fún wa ṣe.
Ilaje TV.
Can you tell Zionists all over the world who are the Zionists that are in this unification process with you?
My namesake, Apostle Debo. We have Reverend Eniola, the chairman of CNS Unity Church Conference in Lagos State. And we have Pastor Ario from Ogun State. We have Taiwan Kehinde Elebiju. We have Kunle Akintimehin, Apostle Kunle Akintimehin. We have Apostle Rukubami Oluwadamilohun. We also have our mother in United States. We call her Erelu. We have the founder and minister in charge of CNS Church of Zion, Maryland, USA, Royal Prophet Oluwanifemi Akintimehin. So we have a lot of people, a lot. I can't even remember all their names. And we also have a WhatsApp platform. At least our platform can boast of over 150 people. And they are all very, very active. So it's not a one-man thing.
Like what we have been seeing on social media, even on our page on Facebook, that a lot of people are saying that Prince Debo wants to choose a leader, like a new king of Zion, worldwide upon all the Zionists. What is your comment on that?
So we are not choosing a leader per se. We are coming together to choose a rep for Zion. And if you call that person a leader, it's going to be the leader of our unification. Are you getting it? So, and it's rotational. We just want to appoint a president for the unification. A president that will be a rep for Zion. Because, let me quickly tell you, the Celestial Church of Christ, they have just one registration with Corporate Affairs Commission. But Zion has over 300 registrations with Corporate Affairs Commission. And it's not really helping us. It's not really helping us. So we just want to come together under one umbrella, and we know it is possible. And under that umbrella, we'll appoint a president. You know, like the current president today, is not the most senior person. in Nigerian League of Christianity. We have the likes of Pastor Adeboye, we have Pastor Richard Jaffor, the immediate past president of CAN. We have Reverend Oyedepo, and a lot of them, you know, but he has been chosen to be the president of CAN, just to run the affairs of CAN, and he is answerable to the elders. You know, he's answerable to the caucus of Christians in Nigeria. So that's what we are trying to do in Zion. We just want to have a voice. We need one person to be the president of our unification. And it will be rotational, like I said. Maybe after 3 or 4 years, we choose another person.
Ẹ káàsán mọ́ mi.
Màkàsán.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣáà lè mọ orúkọ yín mà.
Orúkọ mi ni ajíhìnrere obìnrin Ṣadé Owóyẹmí tí gbogbo ènìyàn mọ̀ sí obìnrin rere.
Ok ma. Kí ni nǹkan tí ẹ wá ṣe pàtó gangan ní Zion Estate yìí?
Ohun tí a wá ṣe ni pé a wá fẹ́ gbé Zion lárugẹ ju tẹ̀yìnwá lọ, àti pé wọ́n tún máa ń pe kíní kan ní refine. A tún fẹ́ refine àwọn nǹkan kan èyí tí ó yẹ ká máa ṣe nínú Zion, èyí tí a kò ṣe, pàápàá jùlọ àwa ọ̀dọ́ lọ́kùnrin àti lóbìnrin. A fẹ́ wá ṣe àwọn àtúnṣe kékeré, kì í ṣe pé a fẹ́ pa òfin àwọn bàbá wa rẹ́, ṣùgbọ́n a fẹ́ kí ìgbéga àti ìgbélékè kó túbọ̀ máa bá Zion.
Ok, mo ní ìbéèrè kan tí mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ yín mà. Wọ́n ní ìpàdé yìí ẹ ti sọ pé ó dá lórí àti mú Zion papọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan ní pé Prince Debo pé ó fẹ́ fi ọba wa jẹ lórí Zion ni.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí èmi ti ń gbọ́ látàárọ̀, mi tí ì rí ohun tó jọ ọba nínú ẹ̀. Ohun tí mò ń gbọ́ ni pé ìdàgbàsókè Zion, refine àti ìparapọ̀ gbogbo ọmọ Zion ká lè jẹ́ ìkan náà. Nǹkan tí mo ṣì ń gbọ́ nìyẹn. Mi tí ì gbọ́ pé wọ́n fẹ́ jọba àbí wọ́n fẹ́ joyè. Mi tí ì gbọ́ nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ì dẹ̀ rò pé irú nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lè wáyé nínú rẹ̀. A ní àwọn bàbá tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọba fún wa, tí wọ́n jẹ́ bàbá fún wa. So mi ò rò pé gbogbo rúmọ̀ yẹn pé òótọ́ wà náà.
Kí ni àmọ̀ràn yín fún àwọn ọmọ Zion tó kù, àwọn tí ò tí ì darapọ̀ mọ́ iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ yìí, kí ni àmọ̀ràn yín fún wọn?
Zion tóbi, kí gbogbo information yìí kó tó lè dé gbogbo ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó kù, ó lè ṣe díẹ̀ torí Zion tóbi gan. Àmọ̀ràn mi ni pé tí a bá ti gbọ́, kí gbogbo wa dìde, kí a gbárùkù tì, kí a darapọ̀, ká jọ gbé Zion lárugẹ. Ohun tó dẹ̀ tún wá ṣe pàtàkì ń bẹ ni pé nígbà tí gbogbo wa bá ti gbọ́, tá bá ti darapọ̀, ìbọ̀wọ̀ fún kó wà. Gbogbo ìyànjú mi fún àwọn ọmọ Zion yẹn, ká bọ̀wọ̀ fún ara wa, ká dẹ̀ rí pé ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run gbé inú wa tí a fi lè máa lọ, tá máa fi máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú àpéjọpọ̀ tí a wà yìí. Ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ní pàtàkì. Bí a bá ti inú ilé bí inú ilé ìṣe tóbi tó yìí, tá tún kún òkè, tí ò bá sí ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run nínú rẹ̀, ó lè má dúró pẹ́ títí. Ṣùgbọ́n tí ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run àti ìbọ̀wọ̀ fún bá wà, gbogbo èyí tí à ń ṣe yìí, wọ́n ní ohun tí ó rọrùn bí ohun tí Olúwa lọ́wọ́ sí ni. Ohun tí ó ṣòro bí ohun tí Olúwa ò lọ́wọ́ sí, òun ni pé ká ní ìwà ìgbéraga. Ó ṣòro láti jẹ́ kí ohun tí a gbé kalẹ̀ kó tẹ̀síwájú. Rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ìyànjú mi ni pé kí gbogbo wa gbárùkù tì, kó ba lè di ńlá, kó ba lè tẹ̀síwájú. Kò ń ṣe fún ti Debo nìkan ṣoṣo, fún gbogbo ọmọ Zion ni, kò ń ṣe torí tiẹ̀. Fún gbogbo wa, kí orúkọ Zion yẹn kó má ba lè parẹ́, kó lè parẹ́, ṣùgbọ́n kó ba lè máa tẹ̀síwájú.
Ilaje TV.
You know, there are a lot of Zion churches all over the world, and some of them are actually watching you closely. So how would you make sure that every Zion church supports this movement?
Of course, the truth of the matter is there is no way the chance of visiting everybody is slim. That's why we are using social media. We are going to visit Ugmonla, Zion Pepe, PCN, and some other, Bolowo, Zion, Shekelewu, Zion, and some other notable Zion settlements. But we cannot visit everybody. So that's why we are using the power of social media. So when we say, like, the next program will be announced on social media, Ilaje TV will help us, we'll do our adverts, and we expect Zionists to come together. So we don't want Zionists, any Zionists to say, oh, until they come to me. If they don't come to me, I will not participate. No, we are begging everybody that we cannot go around. We have many Zion churches all over the world. So it is the power of social media that we can use. Like today, the minister in charge of the Zion Church in the US, because I was there 2 years ago, I attended the anniversary. Prophet Oluwanifemi Akintimehin, the minister in charge of that church, he supported us, even though he's not here with us. That's the power of social media. We communicate via social media. So we don't have the time to go around and see everybody. We have our people in Canada, in Europe, and everywhere, in London, that are supporting us. So that's it. We are just beseeching everybody to, come together as one.
Okay.
What do you want to say to those Zion churches who feel that you shun them or ignore them concerning this event at Majidun today?
I want to appeal to them not to take offense. It wasn't intentional. We just decided to do our advert on social media. But I can assure them the next one, hopefully, even if we cannot go there, our letter will get to them. Okay. So for now, they should not take offense because we are one in Christ.
Does unification mean that all Zion churches will be under one supreme leader? Because we ask this question so that you can make a clarification concerning the rumor that is outside there.
No. Zion churches, we have various leaders. We have Dr. Mobolo Nduru Ogunfeyimi as the leader of Ugmonla Zion. We have Dr. Okunwa as the leader of Zion Pepe. We have Dr. Ekude Imbu as the leader of PCN. Did you get? And we have Epistle, Dr. Epistle as the leader of Bolowo Zion. We have Dr. Kabe as the leader of Shekelewu Zion. So we have our father, Dr. Ayodele, as the leader of Zion International, based in Ibokoda. So we have various leaders in Zion. So we are not enforcing a supreme leader on them. That's not our mission. We are going to appoint a president for the unification, and that president will be answerable. Himself is a leader. The person we're going to appoint is also a leader of a Zion settlement. But like I told you, it's going to be rotational. So we are not going to enforce him to be the supreme leader of Zion Worldwide. No. He's just our rep and president of the unification, and is answerable to, the rest of the leaders.
Ilaje TV.
At the national
Executive Council of Unification Worldwide.
Ibo ni church yín sà?
I'm the Light of Christ Church, Fountain of Mercy, Ìjẹ̀bú-Òmùṣin.
Okay sà. Kí ni nǹkan gangan tí ẹ wá ṣe ń bíbá ẹ pàtó?
A wá láti wá fi ikùn lukùn nípa ìtẹ̀síwájú Zion àti ìṣọ̀kan Zion ní àpapọ̀ ní gbogbo àgbáyé.
Ṣùgbọ́n a gbọ́ pé Zion Unification yìí ó pín sí oríṣiríṣi, àwọn kan ń ṣe níjẹ̀bú, àwọn kan ń ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ kó gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀ ń sìn ní àbí bó ṣe wà náà ni ó ṣe wà?
Zion Unification ẹ̀yọ̀ kan ní Zion Unification, gbogbo a fẹ́ kó gbogbo wọn papọ̀ àti Èkó àti Ìbàdàn for the 6 provinces. Ìlàjẹ, Ìjọ, Ìkálẹ̀, Àpọ́ì, Ìjẹ̀bú àti Èkó. Gbogbo ibẹ̀ ni unification tó wà ń bẹ, a fẹ́ kó wọn papọ̀ under one umbrella, and we are going to have one head at the end of the day. That will be a rotational president.
Kí ni àmọ̀ràn yín fún àwọn ọmọ Zion tó ti darapọ̀ mọ́ unification ilé ìtẹ́fẹ́ fi kó ogun papọ̀? Kí làmọ̀ràn yín fún wọn?
Àmọ̀ràn mi sí wọn ni wípé kí wọ́n jọ ká kóra wa pọ̀, ká jọ jẹ́ ọ̀kan ṣoṣo. Àdánù kan rìn ọmọ ejò ló máa ń fìyà jọmọ, tá a bá kóra wa papọ̀ àgbájọwọ́ la fi máa ń sànyà. By the time we come together, then we can move mountain, then a lè ní ìtẹ̀síwájú. Ìmọ̀ràn mi ni pé kí gbogbo ọmọ Zion papọ̀ lápapọ̀ gbogbo àgbáyé kí a jọ fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan ká parapọ̀ ká lè gbé ògo orílẹ̀-èdè wa ga.
Mo tún fẹ́ bèrè kíní kan sà, kí ni ìmọ̀ràn tí ẹ fẹ́ ní fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ọmọ Zion gangan?
I want the youth to search for the knowledge, not only spirit alone. Mo fẹ́ kí wọ́n wá ìmọ̀, torí ìmọ̀ ló máa ń gbéyàn dúró, kó má jẹ́ nípa kìkì ẹ̀mí nìkan, kán kàn bá ìmọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀mí, kí wọ́n dẹ̀ fi ìmọ̀ wọn yẹn kí wọ́n fi tún tata ṣe. Instead of going out and looking for another church, we should come together and work together so that we can boost the knowledge of boost the Zion forward.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ìgbà tí ẹ ń fún wa ní ọ̀rọ̀ ní ẹ̀ǹkan, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kan tó really touch àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n pàtẹ́wọ́ gan fún yín nípa ọba kò ṣe ọba. Kí ni nǹkan tí ẹ ń try láti yọ jáde nínú tí nìta?
Ó dáa kí a jọba, ṣùgbọ́n tí mo wí ń bẹ̀ ni wípé àwọn ọba yẹn kí èèyàn tó lè jọba, èèyàn gbẹ́dọ̀ pé bí ọmọ ọgọ́ta ọdún, ó gbẹ́dọ̀ pé ọgọ́ta ọdún, àná gbẹ́dọ̀ ó kéré tán, ó gbẹ́dọ̀ ní ìjọ bíi mẹ́ta tàbí márùn-ún kí wọ́n tó lè recognize pé ó jẹ́ kábíyèsí. Àwọn kábíyèsí yìí a gbẹ́dọ̀ pín wọn ní ìlọ́po ìpele first class ọba, second class ọba, third class ọba, so that we can give everybody to partner. And then we are going to give them a befitting before anybody can be recognized as king. Ó gbẹ́dọ̀ gba certificate from the Unification Church of Zion, so tó máa mú wọn pé to be qualified as a king of Zion. So kó má kàn jẹ́ pé àdẹ̀gbà wọn nímọ̀ràn pé adé yẹn kó má jẹ́ pé ìgbà gbogbo náà máa lò, kó máa lò ní church wọn, kó má jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa gbé káàkiri, tó máa jẹ́ pé gbogbo èèyàn máa sọ wípé èèyàn ká máa gbé adé lé aṣọ ìgún wa, ká fi máa gun ọ̀kadà, kò yẹ ọba wa.
What approach or method will you use to choose the representative of Zion Unification? Is it by nomination, selection, voting? How do you want to do it?
Yeah, the truth of the matter is this. Number one, the person must be an experienced Zionist. He must have been a Zion leader with over 30 or 40 years experience. That's number one criteria. He must be sound intellectually. He must be lettered. He must be famous. And he must be a responsible man of God. He must be a responsible man of God. And he must be well respected. So his track record must be of a pride to us. I mean, we Zionists. We should be able to be proud of him. You know, and he must be a humble man. We cannot choose any arrogant person. He must be very, very humble. and he must have a functional Zion church as a leader. His church must be very, very functional and well known to Zionists worldwide. As simple as that. So after our consultations, we'll come out with a name.
What exactly is the duty of the person that will be chosen for Zion Unification?
Yeah, it depends. Number one, he will be our voice. If Ondo State Governor says, oh, I need a rep to attend a meeting, a rep from Zion, we will send him down. We are going to have an office where he will be operating. He will always represent us anywhere. And anytime there is a program like the Celebrate the Comforter that is coming up in July, you know, it's going to be hosted by our mother, Reverend Mother Esther Ajayi. You know, we are going to be there en masse. So we need a president to lead us, the president of our unification. Okay. So that's part of the job. And he also owes us the duty of unifying Zion. The man must be a rallying point. You know, he must be the center of our unity. You know, so, and he must be a good preacher of the word. He must be a man that will be winning souls for Christ and Zion. Okay, let me put it this way. In every Christian program, he can represent us. He can lead us there. You know, and in any meeting that has to do with Zion, he can represent us. We just need a voice for Zion. That's what we want.
Èmi ni evangelist Olúbùnmi Ọ̀nàfẹ́jọ́ tí gbogbo èèyàn ń pè ní akọrin kérúbù.
Kí ni ẹ wá ṣe ní Zion Estate ní Ìbàlẹ̀?
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀, a wá fún unification program fún àjọṣepọ̀ gbogbo ìjọ Zion ní gbogbo àgbáyé.
Unification fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Zion lágbàáyé yẹn. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ lè kàn tú díẹ̀ fún wa nǹkan tó really mean gangan nítorí different unification ló wà.
Lóòtítọ́ ni gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti mọ̀ pé oríṣiríṣi unification ló wà, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Kristi ni, ìyẹn fún Jésù Kristi. Ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí àti tó wà lọ́tún àti tó wà nílà níwọ̀ gúúsù àtàríwá, a fẹ́ wá dá gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀ sí ojú kan láti di ẹyọ kan, láti máa represent Zion, àti wípé láti gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí a gbọ́ lánàá àwọn aṣíwájú wa pé láti ní aṣíwájú kan fún gbogbo Zion ní gbogbo àgbáyé, á dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ rotation.
Mo fẹ́ béèrè kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, àwọn kan ní unification tí Prince Debo gbé kalẹ̀ yìí, àwọn kan fọwọ́ sí, àwọn kan ò fọwọ́ sí. Kí ni àmọ̀ràn tí ẹ fẹ́ fún àwọn tí ó fọwọ́ sí àtàwọn tó fọwọ́ sí?
Tèmi ni pé àtẹni tó fọwọ́ sí àtẹni tó fọwọ́ sí, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé àsíá Jésù Kristi sókè.
Mo tún fẹ́ béèrè kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Bí ẹ ṣe jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́, àmọ̀ràn wo lẹ fẹ́ gba àwọn ọ̀dọ́? Bóyá kán gbárùkù ti nǹkan tí Prince Debo gbé kalẹ̀ yìí o, àbí kán má gbárùkù ti, kí làmọ̀ràn yín fún wọn?
Èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀dọ́, bí mo ti wà yìí, àmọ̀ràn tí mo lè fún àwọn ọ̀dọ́ bí tiwa ni pé ohun tí a bá ti pè ní orúkọ Jésù, tá a sọ pé lórúkọ Jésù la gbé kalẹ̀, kò sí pé a tún gbọ́dọ̀ tún padà sẹ́yìn. Tá a bá sọ pé Jésù tó ń ṣe pé ìmọ̀ ara wa o, ìmọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ ìmọ̀ ara wa, èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan mi ò ní yà sí. Ìmọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé ní orúkọ Jésù la fi pè, let's go forward.
Ìbéèrè tí màá tún béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Àwọn kan ní Prince Debo wá sí bíbá yìí láti wá fi ọba jẹ lórí gbogbo Zion pátápátá ni. Kí ni ẹ̀yin rí sọ, ṣé òótọ́ ni àbí irọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn?
Èmi ò gbọ́ nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ohun tí a gbọ́ ni wípé according to the poster, Unification of Zion náà fẹ́ kó jọ.
Nǹkan tèmi tún bí tí mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ yín, ṣé ó fẹ́ fọba jẹ ni àbí kò fi ọba jẹ? Ẹ kàn fún wa ní kí àwọn aráalé kan lè mọ̀.
Ṣé mọ̀ nǹkan tí bá gbọ́ ni màá sọ, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn mi ò tí ì gbọ́ rí pé wọ́n fọba jẹ wọ́n fọba jẹ, ṣùgbọ́n ohun tí mo wọ́ pé ní wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe àjùmọ̀ṣe, that's Unification for Zion Church.
Like, comment and share, and remember to subscribe to Ilaje TV for more videos. click the red button at the lower right hand corner, then click the bell. Thank you.